This video presents routine component checking of your Monoprice Select 3D printer. If you notice the print is not accurate as it might be, or you experience the layer not aligned, check your printer component to ensure they are firmly tightened and working smoothly. Depending on the frequency of 3D printer usage, we recommend to do routine component checking once every month. Check each of the connector cable are still in place. This includes 4 motor connector, 3 stop connectors, and 2 fan connectors. Regularly lubricating the X and Y axis is important for longevity and smooth run of your printer. A rod can be lubricated by oil or grease. We recommend to use the bearing grease and apply generously to the X, Y, and Z axis rod and screw. Loosen bolts would affect the geometry of 3D printer. Check the bolts are firmly tightened if required. Tighten through hex wrench. Check all 3 stop switches are pressed when home position. Tighten screw if required. Check all gears are firmly mounted on the shaft. Tighten if required. You have successfully performed a routine component checking. We want to make sure you get a basic experience from Monoprice Select 3D printer. If you still get trouble with your 3D printer, contact us as shown on the screen.